Hi, I'm Paul and I'm on a bike ride. I'm down at Borshire Clough. So here's the lake and I'm on my KuKirin V1 PRO. So I'm testing out my pedals and the Zoom HB100 hydraulic cable brakes. So I just come down my main road then and yeah, slam my brakes on and they seem quite decent. So yeah, I've actually fitted a parallelogram seat post. Now that was off my DIY Carrera build and I've had to bodge it up so it fits, but it seems to be doing the job, and a saddlebag. So yeah, so we are going for a little ride off-road that way through Borshire Clough, and we're going to go over onto the dingle. Going to see if there's any raspberries still ready. I know the blackberries are ready, but me and my brother, I think Max is about a month early, I'm not sure. So we're going to go for a little mooch and see if there's any raspberries. Okay, let's do it. We're banging it in high mode and most of this is going to be the throttle just to see what it's like and for a laugh. So yeah, okay, let's go. So it's not probably meant for this. It's got no front suspension, but take it easy. See how well it handles this hill on throttle. It's doing it, slowly, but it's doing it. So it would have helped if I would have pedalled, but want this a throttle ride. Come on away. Let's go this way. So as you can see, downhill, the brakes work good. So yeah, I'm impressed with them brakes. I think there was £48 off eBay. I was recommended them off the subscriber. So yeah, cheers for that. Good recommendation. So, just a quick bit on my road and we're going through here. Get on the other side. Yeah, and that seat post is moving slightly. It's working as a suspension seat post, but I think I'm going to buy one. For only £20. Oh, it's a bit overgrown through here. Yeah, let's bang it in. Eco. Take our time. I'd have put pants on. Ah! lumpy. Oh, the seat just tilted back. Nice one. Perfect place. Oh. Oh. Sorry, but look at my bike. Bit of foliage. Right, it's a little lumpy here. Top place for the bike. The seat to go back. Come back again. Oh. Stand up. So, if I remember rightly, the raspberries was here. It's just a few left. Deep in the bush there. A load of blackberries. So yeah, there don't seem to be any. Maybe come too late. So next year, come a month earlier. So come the beginning of July. Right, we're up here now. We might as well go ride. Let's have a look. The bike's okay. Yeah, sweet. Didn't bring any tools to actually set the seat post, tighten it up. So that's my own bad. Oh, it's gone back again. I'll handle it, I'll handle it. Oh. We can go this way. Yeah, this seat's a terrible position. Whoa! Wet branch. It's hurting my hips. Oh, not good. What was that? My tyres are a bit low, by the way. Didn't realise that. Take it easy. Big drop at the side. Down to the river. We're going this way. When I get back on. Wet branches everywhere, roots. Oh. Whoa! It's really not meant for this. It's holding up well. Right, it looks like there's a main path back through there, so we'll follow it back. Yeah, sweet. Pretty sweet little, oh, the seat, pretty sweet little run this. Nice and smooth. Let me go this way. Let's see the path then. So yeah, plenty of blackberries, no raspberries. Oh well. Not to lose coming up here to look. Fun ride. Oh, wheelie. I think I'm gonna ride the road home and yeah, just end where I come in here on my dingle because I want to just whip home. This riding position's terrible. I don't want to go more off-road, my hips killing, I'm too low, and yeah, the seat's really far back. So you've been watching me, Paul, do a ride on my KuKirin V1 PRO. It's my second ride and I'm testing out the Zoom HB100 brakes and the DMR bikes V8 pedals. So thanks for watching, consider subscribing and all that jazz. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Okay, thanks for watching, bye. What a good little girl. Up and